안녕하세요, unishi. Konnichiwa, uni. Watashi wa Usin desu. Kyou wa Hangul benkyou shimasu. So, I will teach you how to pronounce the Korean vowel. So, vowels in Korean, it's called muun. Muun. So, we will start with the basic ones. So, this is a, o, and o, and u, and it's like the sound of getting punched in the stomach. Yeah, and e, I, and soft e, pronounced as and so that's it. A, o, u, e, and so that is how it is pronounced. So you can study it. I will send the video. So that's it. Konnichiwa, uni. So this is the third batch of Korean vowels. So I will teach you how to read it, and I will show you how it was combined. So first one, wa. It's o plus a becomes wa. We. O plus becomes we. Wo. U plus o becomes wo. And we. U plus becomes we. And we, this pronounced the same but different characters. So we, o plus e or I becomes we. And we, u plus I becomes we. And uy, plus e becomes uy. So that's it, the third batch of Korean vowels. So I hope you learned something from me, and I hope you will study. So that's it. Have a good day, uni, and ganbaro. Fighting. So hello, uni. I will teach you the second batch of Korean vowels. So as you can see, a plus it becomes ya. So we will read it. So it's ya, yo, and you, and yeah, and yeah, and yeah. Again, ya, yo, you, yeah. So that's it, the second batch of Korean vowels. So keep studying it, and I think in 1 week you can read all of the Hangul. Let's start for the vowel for now. I'll teach you the consonant next time. So that's it.